especially proud of this year is spearheaded by my youngest son Anant. From the time he was a little boy, Anant has shown us how to be gentler and more compassionate as humans. Our sacred Vedas teach us to serve not only humanity but also all forms of life on our beautiful planet. Sarve bhavantu sukhinaha, sarve santu niramaya. May all beings be happy. May all beings be free from disease. Guided by this wisdom and under Anant's enthusiastic and dedicated leadership, we established Vantara, a sanctuary of hope and healing for every being. Located in Jamnagar, Vantara is a zoological research, rescue, and rehabilitation center for abused, neglected, exploited, and endangered animals, not only from India but all over the world. Spanning over 3,500 acres, Vantara is home to more than 2,000 species and has impacted the lives of 1 million animals and birds. Vantara also runs Asia's largest wildlife animal hospital with the state-of-the-art equipment and more than 50 custom-made animal ambulances and extensive medical facilities. Our conservation and rehabilitation efforts also focus on protecting critically endangered species and restoring rare and vital habitats. Jamnagar is the Janmabhoomi of Anant's grandmother, Srimati Kokilaben Ambani, and Karmabhoomi of his grandfather, Sri Dhirubhai Ambani. Mukesh and I are very proud to see Anant make Jamnagar his Seva Bhoomi. Dear shareholders, this year, with the grace of our Devis and Devtas, Anant has embarked on a lifelong journey of togetherness with his soulmate Radhika. With open arms and hearts full of love, we welcome Radhika into our Reliance family. We are deeply grateful for the blessings and good wishes that each one of you have showered on Anant and Radhika for their wedding. आपकी दुआओं ने अनंत और राधिका के विवाहित जीवन को और भी सुंदर और मंगलमय बना दिया है। आपके आशीर्वाद और शुभकामनाओं के लिए दिल से धन्यवाद। On that note, ladies and gentlemen, as I conclude, my heart is filled with immense gratitude and deep responsibility. Your constant support and your unwavering faith in Reliance have been our guiding light. On behalf of Mukesh and me, our children, and the entire Reliance Parivar, I want to personally thank each one of you for being an integral part of this extraordinary journey. Through the various initiatives of Reliance Foundation, we have been blessed to touch the lives of over 77 million people across all states and 56,000 villages in India. As we march ahead, we are guided by the legacy of our founder chairman, Sri Dhirubhai Ambani, to serve with compassion, friendship, and humility. Together, let's build an India that stands tall, not just in the strength of its economy, but in the richness of its culture, the kindness of its people, and the depth of its humanity. As we enter the 15th year of Reliance Foundation, our resolve becomes deeper and stronger to create even greater impact and help uplift millions of Indians towards a brighter, safer, greener, more equitable, compassionate, and prosperous future. Thank you once again. Dhanyavad. Now,